So we have done coding a basic function for the book DAO class with unit test. Now let's implement the list books feature. And this here our task list in this section. First, we need to update the admin's header for the URL to display the list of books, and then we code the list book servlet, and we code the book services class, and then we code the book list page with HTML and JSTL. And this is the user interface design of the books list page. You see, we have a hyperlink here that allows the admin to create a new book, and all the books are listed in a table format like this. You can see the header, index, ID, image, title, author, category, price, last updated, and actions. And for each book